What's going on, guys? Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this beat. Today I'm going to be going over the top 3 exercises that you guys can do for cardio at home. This is the second video of the workout at home series, guys. I hope you guys find something from this and drop all the excuses as to why you guys can't get in shape and keep the weight off for this upcoming summer. We're 3 months away, guys. Right now is the time to start to get after it and really just set your eyes on the prize, and that's having that six-pack shredded look for the summer, guys. Let's get straight into the video today. Alright guys, so these are going to be all exercises that you guys can do at home with literally no equipment. I know a lot of your guys' goals right now is to basically just lose fat. You're not really caring about the strength training, the gaining muscle part, etc. That's all in the winter bulk that we're leaving behind, right? These are going to be body weight movements, literally no equipment, done in the comfort of your own home. There are other exercises that are really good to shed fat for cardio, but we're not going to be doing that today. We're strictly staying inside. The outdoor and all the other forms of exercise that you guys can do for cardio is going to be covered in another video. Today, all we're going to need is our body, a jump rope, and our imagination, guys. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All right, guys, so the first exercise and movement that I want to show you guys is something that you guys are going to hate, but you guys are going to fall in love with because it's going to give you results time in and time out again and again, guys, and that's going to be the burpee. There's so many different ways that you guys can do burpees, and literally all you need to do to start is your body weight. Literally hit the ground, jump up, do that a few times, and you are good to go. Your heart rate is going to shoot through the roof, your shoulders are going to be burning, your quads are going to be on fire, your chest is going to be pumped, literally everything. Ladies, do not be afraid of this movement. This is a great movement for you as well. So many different variations, guys. I'm going to go through 3 different forms right now and how this is going to help you guys lose fat. So tip number 1 is going to be catch yourself at the bottom. So basically, this is what a burpee is. Boom, boom, just down, up. Basically, there's 3 different variations. I guess my variation is more of the performance aspect. It's literally hit the ground, do a push-up, and see how wide my feet are. My feet are wide. Bring them up like that. It's less of a jump. Boom, touch, and hit the ground again. And I literally can do that super quick and efficient. What that allows me to do is get more reps in, essentially get my heart rate through the roof. It's basically my favorite way to do it because I feel like it intensifies the movement and intensifies whatever workout I'm doing. Honestly, a love-hate relationship because then I'm almost dying at the end, but I know that I'm gonna get results. Show you guys quick. Why I like that is because I found that by having your feet wide, it's more of a crunch, so you're also getting a core exercise and you're getting your feet up to the ground a lot quicker, less of a struggle from here like that, and then it takes a long time. You kind of start resting, everything catches up to you, you feel a lot more tired, whereas it's going like this, boom, boom. It's a lot quicker, a lot more easy on your body, even though you're getting a lot more work. As you guys saw there, I literally just shoved myself off the ground, basically doing a push-up. As you guys can tell, I'm already out of breath. I've done like 3 burpees. Next form is gonna be the wiggle worm, is what I like to call it, the worm. Basically, if you're not as strong and you can't really do push-ups or you can't do push-ups, you're just gonna worm yourself. Guys, this is still a great exercise, and as you progress, as you shed body fat, the easier burpees you're gonna get, the more efficient you're gonna get at them. Then you can start learning the other types of like burpees and how to get more efficient. But here we go. As you can tell, my little worm is sloppy, but you guys kind of get the point. You're gonna worm yourself down, worm yourself back up, jump, boom, that's 1. You guys get the gist of it. Literally down, up, make sure your belly, chest touch the floor, and get back up as soon as you can. And literally, I want both feet up off the ground. Don't you cheat yourself. The only person you're cheating is yourself, your results, and your goals. If you guys don't get up off the ground, if you guys don't touch your hands, at least it's just that mental cue like, hey, that was a rep, etc., guys. So don't cheat yourself. Burpees, as you guys saw, just pure body weight. The wiggle worm, the more efficient one. If you're going for time, if you're going fast, if you're going for that performance style stuff. The next one is gonna be over an object. If you guys have a dumbbell, great. Do a burpee, jump over it. Do a burpee, jump over it. The added height of the jump and like the little distance, believe it or not, like maybe 6 inches that you have to jump over that thing is gonna make a big difference. It's gonna shoot your heart rate through the roof, etc. But hey, like I said, we're just keeping it body weight. That's just another variation. Once you're advanced, once you guys nail these down, by the end of those 12 weeks you guys are cutting, you guys are gonna have these down in the books, guys. So just a quick little progression for you guys there. All right, guys, the next movement that I'm gonna go over is literally just jumping rope, guys. Get yourself a jump rope. You can literally go to Walmart, Target, go to the little fitness section. They have like boxing jump ropes, regular jump ropes. They might even have speed ropes nowadays. Go to Dick's Sporting Goods. For sure, they have a speed rope, like good enough for double unders, single unders, whatever it is. Spend the money on it. We're looking from Walmart to Target anywhere between $5 to $8. Dick's Sporting Goods to anywhere online like Rogue, Amazon, more like $20 to $40 depending on how good of a rope. Mine was like $20, $25. It's plastic. It spins amazing. It's from RPM Training Co. Highly recommend it, guys. It's a coated cable, so you guys can use it indoors on your floor if you'd like. They do have bare cables. I recommend the coated because you can take it outside. Once it wears out, you just replace it and you're good to go. The cable's like $3. Guys, jumping rope single-handedly is one of the best cardio workouts that you can get. You can just go ahead, jump rope in place. You can even throw on the TV. You can throw on a podcast, mindlessly do it. It's gonna tax the crap out of your shoulders. It's gonna tax the crap out of your quads. Not only that, but you're gonna be getting an amazing cardio workout from it, guys. You're gonna be drenched in sweat. You guys can do it in just like endurance fashion, maybe 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes non-stop. You guys can go intervals, 1 minute hard, 1 minute rest, 2 minutes hard, 1 minute off, 30-second sprint, 30 seconds off, etc. guys. That's just one little variation that you can do. You can even start throwing in burpees for a nice little added toughness to it. If single unders are a little bit, you know, on the beginner side for you, which I'm not saying they're not good, you can go ahead and ramp up the intensity and go to double unders, guys. This is more advanced movement that takes a long time to learn. At least it did for me. It took me literally practicing every single day for about 8 months, 3 sets of 30 every single day, and countless whips and marks on my back. It looks like I was getting beat whenever I went home from the jump rope, guys, but I guarantee you it made a world of a difference. My double unders aren't great, but they are a lot more efficient now. I can get about 100, 150 unbroken. On a good day, I can even go through workouts where it's like 6 rounds of 50 to 60 unbroken as well, just from practicing. Amazing workout for your shoulders, guys. Amazing workout for your quads, for your calves. Not only that, but your cardio, man. Your cardio. This thing is just an underrated exercise that you guys can do. Double unders, guys. I'm gonna do a tutorial later down the road. Throw these in. Amazing workout. Single, just jumping rope. Double unders to ramp up the intensity, guys. You won't regret it. All right, guys, so the last and final cardio move that you guys can do at home, literally maybe 1 piece of equipment, 2 pieces of equipment, no pieces of equipment, and that's gonna be to use your imagination, guys. Creativity. I just went over 2 moves that you guys can do. With that, use a little bit of imagination and just create a little circuit. Do some burpees, do some jump ropes, do some push-ups, and boom, you're good to go. You got a little bit of strength, you got a little bit of cardio, you got a little bit of like cardio mixed with strength from the jump rope. It's an all-around just fat blaster, guys. Set it up however you guys want. You guys can do it bodybuilding style. Do, hey, 5 sets of 10 burpees supersetted with 20 jump ropes or 30 jump ropes, etc. 5 sets, 10 burpees, 30 jump ropes, rest 30 seconds in between each set, and keep getting after it. Boom, boom, boom. Throw in some sit-ups. You got a little bit of core, you got a little bit of cardio fat blast. What really helps here, guys, is the fact that you're moving from exercise to exercise, so you're not bored on one exercise, you're not dwelling on how hard it is, you're not dwelling on the pain of one exercise. Also, by moving on to a different exercise, it's gonna give your body a little bit of rest, a little bit of time for your breathing to kind of change up a little bit. You're still gonna be breathing hard, you're still gonna be getting that cardio aspect, but different muscles are gonna be getting worked, and also your brain is gonna get a little bit of relief because you're doing a different exercise, guys. So circuit training is the last and final piece that I'm giving you to you guys. We do it all the time here in CrossFit style workouts and functional workouts. It's essentially what we're doing. We're moving in a circuit style fashion, whether you want to call it that or not. Just the simplest terms that I can give it to you guys. Literally burpees, jump rope, burpees over an object, double unders, do some sit-ups, do some push-ups, get that little bit of strength, a little bit of core, a little bit of cardio. Boom, you got yourself a fat blast workout. So go ahead, get creative. Take these moves into your arsenal, guys, and really hit the gas, guys. Right now is when it counts because summer is right around the corner. The worst feeling is getting to spring, summer. You're not in shape. You're feeling insecure about yourself. And most of all, it's hot, so you're kind of just feeling hot from being fluffy. And that's not a good feeling, guys. So go ahead, take these moves, throw them into your arsenal, play around with them, etc. If you guys need inspiration or help with different workouts, guys, go over to my Instagram. I post daily workouts there. Or just DM me. I'd love to draw up a little workout for you. Or if you guys want to take it to the next level, apply for my one-on-one coaching, guys. I do nutrition and training coaching. Apply for that. The link is going to be in the description. Also on Instagram, give you one-on-one guidance on nutrition, one-on-one guidance on training and workouts, get you that 6-pack for summer, guys. One last thing, you guys know I got to give you guys the plug, the hookup on all these workout clothes, which you guys are going to need. Virus International, wearing the shorts here, the long sleeve shirt here. Virus International code SHOTSG10. It's gonna save you guys 10% off, guys. It's gonna help your boy out. Breakfast Club, baby, we're growing strong. That's gonna go ahead and do it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we out to speed.